Increase customer engagement with ChatGPT. We've explored my top prompt strategies for securing meetings and closing deals, but now let's shift our focus to nurturing and expanding relationships with our current clients. Generative AI tools can be powerful allies in building stronger customer relationships. For instance, you can create prompts tailored for long-term planning, like, I have a relationship with iCert persona and we've sold link to product page to them. We have other clients using our product, iCert description, and we also target other personas. Help me devise a 2-month plan to demonstrate value to my current contact and facilitate a warm introduction to the VP of Sales. This kind of prompt offers a structured 8-week strategy for relationship building and subtly introduces expansion opportunities. Another useful prompt might be, I want to grow my current client from $150,000 to $250,000. My contact has only purchased 2 of our products, with potential for $20,000, $30,000 more. We can also target other people within the organization. Here's a link to their website and About Us, and a link to our product page and case studies. Help me create a 6-month plan to grow this account, identifying key contacts and factors based on their priorities for increased spending. Submitting this prompt generates a detailed plan ready for immediate execution, which you can fine-tune to match your client's specific needs. The second strategy is idea generation, which is invaluable when you feel you've maxed out a client and are unsure how to proceed. For example, I'm stuck. I've worked with this client for 2 years, but they're considering the competition due to newly announced features. I've provided links to both their new features and ours. Give me 2 to 3 points on how we can differentiate ourselves. This prompt yields an analysis comparing your services with the competitors, along with differentiation strategies. Always review the AI's suggestions critically to ensure they align with your needs. Generative AI is excellent for jump-starting your brainstorming process when you're stuck or need fresh ideas. Now, let's delve into additional ways ChatGPT can help us enhance and maintain our relationships with existing customers. Onboarding and customer kickoffs with ChatGPT. Often, you or a team member might land a new account without extensive knowledge of the industry. While you may have some initial notes from the sales representative, the prompts I'm about to share will help you quickly gain insights and provide substantial business value to your new client. For instance, if you have a new client in the ABC industry, you could use a prompt like, I have a client in the ABC industry. Our product typically offers these 3 value propositions. How could our product specifically benefit teams in this industry? Insert 3 potential value prompts here, and then hit enter. Since I have my custom instructions set up, this prompt will incorporate RevOps, enablement, and strategy for the edtech industry. Additionally, if you are utilizing an AI tool with search capabilities, you can use links to enhance the results. Let's try another prompt. I inherited a new account. Here's their website. I want to quickly become knowledgeable about their industry. Here are the products they purchased from us. What are the key trends I should focus on that are relevant to their industry? This prompt delves into relevant aspects for the company and their industry. With these prompts, you can have a meaningful, industry-specific conversation from day one, building trust and rapport right away. Clients will look forward to meetings with you because they see you as an expert in their field. You could also start role-playing or create an industry trivia game to deepen your understanding. There's a lot of potential here. Next, let's discuss how to quickly get acquainted with the individual and their company. This requires a search-enabled chat. For example, I have a new client, insert name, and I want to make a great first impression. Below are a few links relevant to this person. What are some ways I could build rapport with them? Or, based on this information, what might be their preferred communication style? This prompt will provide insights to help you connect on a personal level during your first interaction. Similarly, you can focus on the company. We just closed a new client. Here's their investor relations page. Their main reasons for purchasing were A, B, C. How can I tailor our kickoff process to align with their business priorities? What key points should I bring up during our call? This result will offer various options to customize your initial interactions, ensuring a positive first experience. These generative AI strategies will significantly enhance your team's effectiveness and excite new clients about the partnership, transforming your customer experience. Establish relationships faster with ChatGPT. Building genuine relationships with clients can be challenging for account teams, as customers often find themselves too busy to take calls or even cancel meetings that don't seem valuable. To overcome this hurdle, strive to add value in every interaction, positioning yourself as a strategic partner rather than just another vendor. Leveraging generative AI can significantly aid in this effort. For instance, using ChatGPT with WebPilot enabled, you could prompt, "What are the latest trends in how AI is impacting the XYZ industry? And how would this impact a director of HR in particular?" The response would provide valuable insights into talent acquisition trends and the importance of employee engagement, equipping you with high-quality conversation points to keep an HR director engaged. Staying updated with each client's business can be daunting, but AI can help you quickly get up to speed before meetings. Try a prompt like, "I have a current client that I'd like to establish a stronger business relationship with. They're the VP of Talent Acquisition at iCert Company. Can you find any relevant articles from their LinkedIn page or press releases about employee engagement?" This approach saves time and ensures you're informed about your client's latest activities. Finally, to grow relationships and secure new meetings with potential stakeholders, consider prompts that help you tailor outreach strategies. For example, "I currently sell to the Chief Operations Officer and want to involve more CHROs. My product is X. What strategies should I use to reach out to the CRO for a meeting?" The resulting guidance can help you craft personalized messages and follow-ups to engage more CHROs effectively. Additionally, you could have ChatGPT draft an introduction email that a COO could forward to a CRO, facilitating new meetings. These strategies illustrate just a few ways generative AI can enhance relationship building and account growth, making interactions more meaningful and productive. Prompt strategies for sales training. Onboard new employees with ChatGPT. Sales leaders can significantly enhance the skills and talents of new hires with ChatGPT. As sales teams are increasingly asked to achieve more with fewer resources, boosting team productivity has become crucial. One key area where ChatGPT can make a substantial difference is in new hire onboarding. Specific prompt types like role-playing and scenario planning are particularly effective. Start by helping new hires understand your buyers and industries, using role-play chat threads that simulate real-world scenarios. For instance, ask ChatGPT to act as a seasoned sales trainer, embodying various personas to give new hires practical experience. Include detailed persona information, role, location, industry, mood, and difficulty level, to make the role-play sessions realistic. Additionally, provide specific instructions to guide the chatbot's interactions. This method allows new hires to ask questions and learn industry nuances quickly, much like interacting with a live customer. Next, apply these skills to matching your solutions with customer challenges. Typically, this level of understanding would take months of meetings and feedback, but with ChatGPT, thousands of scenarios can be condensed into days or weeks of intensive learning. For example, create scenarios where reps use your product solutions to address customer issues, enhancing their ability to articulate value propositions and handle tough customers. Scenario planning is another powerful tool for onboarding. While understanding buyers and your company's offerings is vital, handling unforeseen challenges is equally important. Traditionally, this skill would take years to develop, but with generative AI, sales reps can swiftly prepare for various objections. Create prompts that guide reps through objection handling, using variables like persona, role, location, industry, mood, and difficulty level. Incorporate specific objections and scenarios to simulate different stages of the sales process, ensuring comprehensive preparation. By formatting prompts effectively and incorporating diverse variables, new hires can quickly adapt to different situations, learning valuable skills in a fraction of the time. This method not only accelerates onboarding but also provides ongoing upskilling opportunities for your current team. Now, let's explore how leaders can leverage ChatGPT to further enhance the capabilities of their sales teams. Upskill your team with ChatGPT. Enhancing skill development and representative growth is a key strength of ChatGPT. Its capacity to swiftly advance your sales reps' abilities is remarkable. Let's dive into how ChatGPT can streamline skill development planning. Suppose a manager is guiding a representative who excels at engaging with frontline employees but struggles with involving the executive team. ChatGPT can help by crafting a comprehensive training plan, significantly reducing the time spent on planning. For instance, a useful prompt might be, as a sales manager, I need to help a representative who effectively secures meetings with frontline staff but needs to improve their ability to engage with executives. Can you help me create an 8-week training program, including weekly agendas and 45-minute sessions, to enhance their strategic communication skills? This prompt not only saves time but also provides a strong foundation for further customization. Similarly, reps can leverage this approach to develop their personal growth plans. For leadership skill enhancement, it's essential to focus on personal development as well. Our organization found the GROW coaching model, goals, reality, options, way forward, particularly effective. For example, a prompt for improving coaching might be, my representative needs to improve on multi-threading. Can you help me draft a GROW script for an alignment conversation? This script aids in conducting productive coaching sessions, including addressing challenging performance issues. Another prompt could be, I need to address a rep's performance issues, including missed quotas and low activity levels. Can you role-play as the representative so I can practice having this difficult conversation? These role-playing scenarios showcase ChatGPT's ability to refine high-stakes conversations, ensuring effective communication. By using these strategies, you can accelerate representative development, create tailored training programs, and handle challenging conversations with greater ease, ultimately enhancing overall sales team performance through generative. Conclusion. The future of sales in this AI world. While predicting the exact future of ChatGPT's use in sales remains uncertain, several current advancements promise to significantly shape how teams leverage this technology. One key development is the creation of customized chatbots. My team is actively working on this by integrating your specific notes, personas, playbooks, and standard operating procedures into a generative AI bot. This will allow your team to interact with a bot that understands your unique context, providing immediate, tailored feedback and solutions based on your own insights and experiences. Envision a ChatGPT preloaded with your sales strategies, product details, and more, enabling your team to start role-playing and addressing scenarios right away without lengthy explanations. Another exciting advancement is the rise of Auto-GPT or AI agents. These tools enable you to describe your situation and objectives, and then guide you through a series of questions to refine your issue into a detailed, customized solution. While you can achieve some of this functionality with current role-playing prompts, future tools will incorporate this capability natively, enhancing the way you interact with AI. Finally, let's discuss APIs. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, offers APIs that integrate their language model with various applications and services. For instance, Excel applications now connect directly to ChatGPT, simplifying tasks like formula creation and data management. Similarly, workflow automation tools like Zapier are incorporating natural language processing, allowing you to automate processes with simple commands. For example, you can create triggers for email notifications based on CRM events with minimal technical effort. As ChatGPT continues to evolve over the next few years, staying abreast of these developments will be crucial for leveraging its full potential. Congratulations on completing the course. I've included a handout with all the prompts covered, available for download in the exercise files. For further questions or collaboration, use the Q&A section, and connect with me on LinkedIn to stay updated on advancements. If your team is ready to implement these practices, my team is here to assist. I hope you found the course insightful and inspiring regarding the capabilities of generative AI.